Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my CUPINA mint drink. You are going to love every bit of it. Every drop of it tastes so great and healthy. So please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment and share for me. Do well to click on the notification bell, okay? It helps a lot. Okay, so let's see the things we are going to use. We are going to make use of pineapple, apple, cucumber, and mint. Yes, as well as honey for tastes. You can decide to omit the honey. Okay, so we are going to peel the pineapple and we are going to boil the peel. Yes, so add water to the peels and then boil it, and that is the water we are going to use for our drink. Do you get it? Yes. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video for me, okay, and do well to leave a comment. If you click on the notification bell whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification, then you will come and watch. So hey, don't just leave it like that. Click on the notification bell. So we are done boiling and we are pouring the water and we allow it to cool down. You don't need to use the hot water to blend your fruit. You don't intend to what? To cook the fruit. So let it cool down. Okay, so at this point we are chopping our pineapples or pineapples into smaller pieces. And then we are going to blend it. We are going to also chop our apples. Yes. So first blend the pineapple and the apples. Yes. Okay, so we are slicing the cucumbers also. Okay, so the cucumber I decided to use 2 instead of 3. I made use of 2. So I'm adding the pineapple water to it. Then we are going to blend it. Okay, so I'm going to pour this into my big saucepan and I'm going to blend the cucumber and the mint also. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, leave a comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell, do everything and anything good to my channel, okay? Okay, so let's blend this. Okay, so I am done and I'll add everything, and then I'm going to add the rest of the pineapple peel water to it. So we are going to strain everything. You can decide to blend it again. After straining, you can decide to add water to the chaff and blend, but I just did one blending, but I also added water to it to strain the to get more juice from the chaff. Okay, so I am going to pour the drink into my big saucepan. I'll also fetch some into my blender. So this is it. I'll fetch some into my blender so that I can add my honey to it and mix it in the blender. Okay. So I'm going to add my honey to it. The way I did it, if you follow the same method, you can decide not to add any sweetener to it because I didn't use much water. So you can, the pineapple tastes sweet, the apple is sweet, so it's okay. So mix everything and I will strain it again, but this time around I did it off camera. You can decide to leave it like that, but I strained it the second time before packaging it. Okay, so this is it. Our Cupina mint drink. So the Cupina is cucumber, pineapple, and apple mint drink. So it's a name that I coined myself. Okay. So this is it. Give this a try, eh? And I want to say nice to meet you. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Charlie, get some pie or any pastries of your choice and add. Bye bye.